Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class. How are you all? How's everyone doing? Hello guys, hello. Can you all see me? Hi Aditya, hello Mamta, hello Anushka, hi Mahesh, hi Farhan. Hello Tech Hex, hello Anushka, Aman, Bhuvana, Mamta, Shubham, Anita, hello to all, hello to all, Niharika, Anshika, Shubham, Janvi, Srinidhi, Farhan, Sir, I am Sahar, hi Sahar, Ayush, Anjali, Srinidhi, Shaurya, Shreya, अंजलि आई एम ऑसम यार आई एम ऑसम मेंटी होगा यस ऑब्वियसली मेंटी होगा ऑब्वियसली मेंटी विल बी देयर ओके सो वंस अगेन वेलकम टू ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स हाय गायत्री हेलो पूनम हाय ध्रुवा हेलो श्रेया हाय आयुष थैंक यू सो मच आयुष so first thing first good afternoon I think yeah good noon now so to all the students and as you all know today's class we are talking about ICSE in one shot and the topic today is linear inequations right so linear inequations we are going to discuss it in detail today and inequations mein what are the things where you should be very careful all those parts I am going to discuss with you and we'll go through the whole chapter then I will solve some questions from this part later there will be a Menti quiz as well so you will be able to give answers and submit your answers in the Menti quiz okay so that is all we'll be doing in today's class and after this session the linear inequations part will be over to you okay so let us start the part so first question first so linear inequations what does it mean so remember it is different than equations it is inequation so for an equation when we are talking about equation okay remember this thing when I talk about equation I need this equal sign when I say inequation equal sign is not there will be greater than less than greater than or equal to less than or equal to these four signs will be present these four signs will be present in inequation so they are not equal one or the other side is greater or smaller that is what inequations mean okay now general form what is general form here so these are replaced by we know for linear equation general form is ax plus b equal to c so here ax plus b less than c ax plus b greater than c ax plus b less than or equal to c ax plus b greater than or equal to c any of the sign can come this is the general form for a linear inequation simple चीज चल रही है general form for a linear inequations okay after that अब देखो solving whenever you are solving a linear inequations the major thing you need to understand is when when it is different from linear equation for most of the steps it is exactly equal as linear equation the way you will solve linear equation same way you will solve linear inequations the way you have solved linear equations exactly similar form you will solve linear inequations only some differences what are those differences if you will understand those differences very well everything will be sorted you will not face any difficulty afterwards okay so first thing on transferring a positive term from one side of an inequation to other side sign of terms became negative obviously same as equation ठीक है तो it is same as in solving equations कि भाई suppose if I have x plus 2 equal to 3 if I shift 2 over there it will become x is equal to 3 minus 2 same way if I have x plus 2 greater than 3 so it will be x is greater than 3 minus 2 positive will become negative remember listen carefully yes it is helpful for all those students who have linear inequations if it is there in your state board it will be helpful for you okay got it will not equal to be a part of inequations? Beta देखो ध्रुवा, not equal to is just a statement, but see here also both the sides are not equal. Ax plus b and c, they are not equal, but which of the following it is there, it gives us more information than not equal to. Got it? So not equal to may you will only get to know that they are not equal. Here also I can say they are not equal or can be equal. This gives us a more important, this gives us more clarified details. Okay, now second thing they are saying, transferring a negative term from one side of an equation. Negative terms if you will transfer, it will become positive, है ना? So positive becomes negative, negatives become positive. Addition will become subtraction. Remember this in this way, as in the case of the equation when we do transposition, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction become addition. Remember, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction become addition. If each term of an inequation is multiplied or divided by a same positive number, the sign of inequality remains same. That means if I am dividing or multiplying by a positive number, sign remains same. For example, I have given you 2x is less than 4. Now this 2, if I shift it over there in division, so x is less than 4 upon 2, no need to do anything because I am dividing by a positive number. Suppose if I have x by 2 greater than 1, so shift 2 over there, so x is greater than 1 into 2. The inequation sign will remain same because I am multiplying or dividing by a positive number. So these are the three places where there is no changes. You will solve exactly equal as you will solve any equation, exactly same as the equation part. Now the remaining part, here you need to understand it very well. If each term of an inequation is multiplied or divided by some negative number, the sign of inequality reverses. For example, I give you minus 2x is greater than 4. Suppose I have given you this. Minus 2x is greater than 4. Remember this thing, very important. If I shift, now see, if suppose if I have an equation, minus 2x is equal to 4, what you will do, x is equal to 4 upon minus 2 you will do, minus 2 will go in division, so you will get x is equal to minus 2. Same thing, minus 2 also here will go in division x, and here it will be 4 upon minus 2. But remember, if you divide by a negative number, if you divide by a negative number, or if you multiply by a negative number, the sign of inequality will change. So earlier it was in this way, now it will be in this way. Got it? So now it will become x is less than minus 2. This is how you will remember this thing. So this is the first thing. If you will multiply or divide by a positive number, the sign of inequality does not change. But if you will multiply if you will divide by a negative number, then the sign equality, multiply or divide by a negative number, sign of inequality will reverse. This is the first case. Second, sign of each term on both the sides of an inequation is changed, the sign of inequality gets reversed. For example, I have minus 2x is greater than minus 4, suppose. Now when you do negative to negative got cancelled, suppose if you are doing negative to negative cancelled, if you are doing this, sign of inequality should also change. If you cancel negative on both the sides, the sign of inequality should also change. Okay, and then if both the sides of an inequation are positive or both negative, then on taking their reciprocal. One more thing, reciprocal mein. For example, if x is greater than 2, so 1 by x, and here if I do reciprocal on both the sides, here also the sign of inequality should change. Okay, got it? These are the three important cases. Case 1, multiplication or division by a negative number. Case 2, when negative to negative gets cancelled. Case 3, when reciprocal. These three cases, remember, in 3 cases ko beta, if you will remember, if you will not forget these 3 cases, I am telling you, no question of inequation will go wrong for you. You will never face any difficulty. As simple as this. Got it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Simple thing, what I am telling you, as simple as that. 3 rules which you need to remember. Rest everything is exactly same as equations. First rule, if you multiply or divide any transposition, if you do multiply or divide by a negative number, change the sign. If you'll cancel negative on both the sides, change the sign. If you'll reciprocate both the sides, change the sign. Bas, rest everything is same. अब देखो, let's solve some question. अब देखो, one more thing, graphically part में replacement set and solution set. So replacement set is the values of the variable x is to be chosen. मतलब कि भाई I am giving you ना, I'll give you sometimes कि x belongs to real number. So this means your replacement set. कि भाई values of x should be from the real numbers. Okay, if I say x belongs to integers, so here you'll get to know कि x should be coming, the values of x should be chosen from integers only. So this is called replacement set. Then solution set means will be the values of x which will satisfy the equation, and it will be coming from the replacement set. For example, we solved one equation, we got to know that x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, अब देखो, the replacement set was x belongs to integer. X must be an integer. Now when we solve the inequation, we got to know that x can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. So this is called your solution set. Okay, solution set is the values of x which will satisfy the equation. Okay, replacement set is all possible values of x, the values from which the values of x must be chosen. Got it? This is what you are doing over here. अब देखो भाई, when you will represent the solution on the number line, there are two things. One is a darkened circle. तो ये जो darkened circle होता है ना बेटा, it represents कि भाई या तो greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, depending upon the position. ठीक है? But it means include. This point is also included. For example, if I write something like this, suppose over here, say, let me show you. Let's say this is -2 and I have done it like this. This is -2. So it means x, I have included -2 and then all the possible values. See here it will be -1, 0, 1, 2, and it can be more than -2 also. So x can be greater than or equal to -2. X can be greater than or equal to -2. When you draw a hollow circle, like this, it means only greater than or less than. For example, let's say I have drawn this part over here. Let's say this is 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. This time I am drawing it somewhere over here like this. A hollow circle over here and then this line. What it is telling me, see, listen carefully. It is saying कि भाई x is not equal to 2. 2 is not included, so it means excluded. We do not include that value, exclude. So x2 is not included, but after that all the smaller values of 2 are included. That means x should be less than 2. X should be less than 2. तो बस इतना याद रखो, the darkened circle means included, and there the sign will be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. When the hollow circle you are getting, that means excluded, only greater than or less than sign will be appearing over there. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं हम. सो कंबाइनिंग इनइक्वालिटीज में कुछ नहीं करना है बेटा, दोनों साइड्स की इनइक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करना है और बाद में सॉल्यूशन सेट, वी हैव टू सॉल्व बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द इनइक्वेशंस एंड एट द एंड वी हैव टू मेक द सॉल्यूशन सेट कॉमन टू बोथ द आंसर्स. Got it? I will explain that to you also while solving the question. Now let's understand these questions first. Okay, first question you have is state true or false. What is the first part? By first part, what it is saying? First one, is it true or false? Let me know, is it true or false? Let's see. It is saying, if first one, what it is saying, x is less than minus y. So can I say that minus x is greater than y? Ab dekho, here if I shift this negative sign over there, when I will shift the negative sign, the sign will reverse. It is true. Very good. Second part, minus 5x is greater than or equal to 15. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Is it true? Is it true? Is the second one true? Is the second one true? Very good, Anushka. It is false. Very good, Shaurya. It is false. Why? Because see, if minus 5x is greater than or equal to 15 is there, if I shift this minus 5 over there, so x will be 15 divided by minus 5, and I have divided by a negative number. 2x is less than or equal to minus 7. Then what is 2x by minus 4, and here minus 7 by minus 4? What do you think about this one? Okay, what do you think about this one? 2x is less than or equal to minus 7. So I am dividing by minus 4 on both the sides, and I have changed the sign. Is it correct? Yes or no? Is it correct? Yes or no? जल्दी से बताओ. It is true. Simple है by see, if we are dividing by a negative number on both the sides, obviously that has to be true, है ना? We are dividing by a negative number on both the sides, the sign must change. True. Last one तो we know it ना. 7 is greater than 5 written over here, so if we'll reciprocate on both the sides, the sign must reverse. So last one is also true. Correct? Yes. So remember, third one is true because we are dividing on both the side by a negative number. Suppose if I was dividing by 4, in that case the sign will not change. But since I am dividing by a negative number on both the sides, the sign must reverse. In second one, why it is false? Because when you have divided by minus 5, 15 is divided by minus 5, the sign has to be changed. But the sign has not been changed, that is why it was false. Okay, got it? Is it clear? Now let's go for the next question. If x belongs to natural number, now see beta, this written over thing over here na, x belongs to natural number, this is your replacement set. है ना? Replacement set. Find the solution set of the inequation. Solution set we have to find out. First one, what do we have here? First one is 5x plus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 18. So now let's shift this 2x over here, 3 over here. So 5x minus 2x. Addition to subtraction, subtraction to addition. No need to change the sign. Exactly same thing. So you'll be getting 3x is less than or equal to 18 minus 3 is 15. Now if I shift this 3 is a positive number. So when I divide or multiply by a positive number, no need to change the sign. So x is less than or equal to 15 by 3. That means x is less than or equal to 5. Simple. X is less than or equal to 5. And they are saying x belongs to natural number. So I can say the values of x will be equal to, देखो natural number में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It cannot be more than 5 because clearly written x should be less than or equal to 5. Very good, Vedant. Very good. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beta z means integers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Next part, second question. Let's solve second question. Second question, what it is? So यार इतना बेटा addition subtraction में no need to think. Only when you are dividing or multiplying. Just see if you are dividing or multiplying by a negative number, change the sign. So you have 3x minus 2 less than 19 minus 4x. Shift minus 4x over here, minus 2 over here. So 3x plus 4x you will get over here. And here you have 19 minus 2 will become plus 2. So 7x is less than 21. X is less than 21 by 7. That means x is less than 3. So x will belong to, it can be 1 also, 2 also, but it cannot be 3 because excluded. 3 is excluded because 3 is excluded. Very good, very good, very good. Very easy question, you can see, है ना? Getting it? Very easy. Correct? Awesome, awesome. Acha, thank you so much बच्चों for your likes here. I can see we are already close to 50 likes. Thank you so much for that. Let's move to the next question. Next question देखो. If 25 minus 4x is less than or equal to 16, find first one, the smallest value of x when x is a real number, the smallest value of x when x is an integer. So first, let's solve this equation. So if I will solve this equation, I have 25 minus 4x is less than or equal to 16. I can do one thing, I can shift this 25 over there. So minus 4x is less than or equal to 16 minus 25. So minus 4x is less than or equal to 16 minus 25 is minus 9. Now if I cancel negative to negative, so if I left with 4x equal to 9, the inequality sign should change, correct? So x is greater than or equal to 9 by 4. Remember this step, sign changed. Why? Because I have cancelled negative to negative. Got it? So x is greater than or equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4 means what? X is greater than or equal to 9 by 4 means 2.25. Now the question is asking smallest value of x when x is a real number. So if x is a real number, 2.25 is a real number. So x will be equal to 2.25. Second one, the smallest value of x when x is an integer. If it is an integer, 2.25 is not an integer. So the next nearest integer, x will be equal to 3. As simple as that. Batao, what is difficult in this chapter? Nothing. Nothing is difficult in this chapter. Right? Correct? Very easy. I know many of you are giving me answer way before me. Very good. Awesome. Next question. Let's go for the next question. Find the largest value of x for which this inequation is true and x belongs to whole number. So we have two times of x minus 1 less than or equal to 9 minus x. Multiply 2 over here. So 2x minus 2 less than or equal to 9 minus x. Shift minus x over here, minus 2 over there. So 2x minus x will become plus x. 9 minus 2 will become plus 2. Remember, subtraction to addition, addition to subtraction, no changes in the sign. Only in multiplication and division we change the sign. So 3x is less than or equal to 11. So x is less than or equal to 11 by 3. X is less than or equal to 11 by 3. Largest value of x. X should be less than or equal to 11 by 3. That means x should be less than or equal to, this is 3.666 and so on. Now x is a whole number. So which whole number is just there? I can say largest value of x. Largest value of x for which x belongs to a whole number will be x is equal to 3. And the solution set will be what? X will be 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the only solution set because they have clearly told x belongs to whole number. Because they have clearly told x belongs to whole number. So the largest value of x which is possible is what? X is equal to 3. Got it? Let's go for the next question. For each graph, write inequation taking x as the variable. We have to write the inequation. So the first one, if you will see, first one is what? Yeah, minus 1 darkened circle. Darkened circle means included. Minus 1 is included and all the values less than minus 1. So I can say x is less than or equal to minus 1. Simple. Second part, darkened circle on 2, all the greater values. So x is greater than or equal to 2. Third one here, darkened circle at minus 4 and greater values than that. So x should be greater than or equal to minus 4. And I will show you in this way. There are two different solutions, we will combine them. So if you look at this point, you will see that x darkened circle is at minus 4 and all the greater values greater than minus 4. So x is greater than or equal to minus 4 and at 3 you have a hollow circle. So x should be less than 3 as well. So combine both, when we combine both we get x is greater than or equal to minus 4 but less than 3. Got it? Last one, fourth one. So here you can see x is what? Minus 1 is not included, values greater than that. So x is greater than minus 1 but less than or equal to 5. Is it clear? Yes, Menti will be there. Don't worry. We'll go for Menti as well. Let's solve some question. I'll go for Menti after that. Okay? Got it? चलो let's go for the next question now. Next question is this: represent the solution set of each of the following inequalities on the number line. बहुत easy है बेटा. Let's quickly do it. First one, 4x minus 1 is greater than x plus 11. So shift x over there, minus 1 over here. 4x minus x is greater than 11 plus 1. 3x is greater than 12. X is greater than 4. So simple है, x should be greater than 4. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 0 is over here like this. So x should be greater than 4. 4 is not included. 4 is not included. So hollow circle at 4 and on this direction. Simple. Hollow circle at 4. Second part, 7 minus x is less than or equal to 2 minus 6x. Shift minus 6x over here, 7 over here. Minus 6x shifted, there will become plus 6x. Minus x less than or equal to 2. 7 shifted over here will become minus 7. 6x minus x is 5x. Less than or equal to 2 minus 7 is equal to what? Minus 5. So I will get x is less than or equal to, shift minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to minus 1. Since I have divided by 5, a positive number, I am not changing the sign. So here x should be less than or equal to minus 1. So suppose if it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So you will be getting minus 1 included and all the values less than minus 1. Got it? This is how you will get your answer. This is how you will get your answer. Okay, simple questions, very easily you can solve it. Just remember, multiplying or dividing by a negative number will make you change the sign. Got it? Okay, chalo. Now last question, solve and graph the solution set. अब देखो here ना, you have to combine two equations. यहाँ पे you have to make two equations are given and you have to combine them. Okay, अब देखना यहाँ पे थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. By first one, both the equations are same. Only thing is one is x belongs to real number, one is x belongs to integer. So first let's solve both the equations. Okay, first let us solve both the equations. So first equation I have is 2x minus 9 is less than 7. So it will become 2x minus 9 shifted, there will become plus 9, will be less than 7 plus 9, which is 16. So 2x is less than 16. So x is less than 8. First equation I have got. Second equation in this will be what? 3x plus 9 is less than or equal to 25. Shift 9 over there. So 3x. Okay, the signs are different. Signs are different. 3x plus 9 is less than or equal to 25. So 3x will be less than or equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. So 3x is less than or equal to 16. So x is less than or equal to 16 by 3. 16 by 3 means x is less than or equal to 5.33. These are my two equations. These are my two equations. Now देखो बेटा, what do I get from here? Equation 1 says x should be less than 8. X should be less than 8. Equation 2 says x should be less than 5.33. So the common solution for both of these will be x should be less than 5, less than or equal to 5.33 na? Because all the values which are less than or equal to 5.33 will be less than 8 as well. है ना? But all the values less than 8 is not necessary is less than 5.33. For example, 7 is less than 8 but not less than 5.33. So less than 5.33 is the common solution. Bas. Now plot that on the graph. उसको graph पे plot कर दो. Less than 5.33. So let us say this is say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So somewhere over here, darken circle and let it go less than side. Like this. Okay, this is how it will be done. Okay, second question, next question देखो बेटा. Next question, similarly we will be solving it. 2x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 7. So you have got 2x is greater than or equal to 8. is greater than or equal to 16, so x is greater than or equal to 8. यहाँ पे 3x plus 9 is greater than 25, so 3x is 25 minus is greater than 16, x is greater than 16 by 3, that means x is greater than 5.33. अब यहाँ पे बेटा you want a number which is greater than 5.33 and you want a number which should be greater than or equal to 8. So the common solution will be here, will be all the values which are greater than or equal to 8. Because if a number is greater than or equal to 8, it will always be greater than 5.33. So the common solution here will be x is greater than or equal to 8. On number line, you know how to represent. Suppose if it is your 8, darkened circle, and let it go towards this side like this. Got it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Achha, sorry. It belongs to an integer, na? It belongs to an integer. Oh, I have made a mistake. Sorry. Yeah, I have made a mistake in the last one. I have solved the first equation wrong. First part I have solved it wrong. It is the sign I have taken wrong. The sign I have taken wrong over here. 2x minus 9 less than or equal to 7 it is. I have taken greater than or equal to 7. So less than or equal to 16, x should be less than or equal to 8. Yes. So now we want a number. See, x belongs to integer. Value of x should be an integer. So an integer which is greater than 5.33 but less than or equal to 8. So I can say x will be equal to 6, 7 and 8. Right? And you can represent that on the number line 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 like this. Okay, both the parts will be included. Is it clear? Okay? Okay, chalo. Now we will go for your Menti quiz. Before that, let me tell you all that those students who are willing to join Vedantu's pro subscription courses, all of you are more than welcome to join. In Vedantu's classes, there will be awesome quizzes, and that too you can attend as many classes as you want. There is no maximum limit on how many classes you can join. Unlimited live classes you can attend with high level quizzes. Second thing, you will get to know how are the students throughout the world doing, because you will get an exposure to study with the students throughout the world. So you'll get to know where do you stand. Your friend circle will be more will be larger. Got it? So that's a good thing for you. Good exposure you'll get. Interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboards. So even the replays are going to be interactive. Premium downloadable content. That means whatever I'm going to teach in class, whatever I'm writing, that whole thing you can download as notes for your study purpose, self-study purpose. In class doubt solving, there will be a dedicated teacher for taking care of your doubts. In regular interval of time, there will be tests and assignments will be shared with you for every class. Okay, and there are more than 5,000 plus micro courses at Vedantu, so you can join any one of them, and free crash courses for competitive examinations. All this will be free, no need to pay anything extra. Got it? So remember, more classes, less price. I will tell you all about the prices, but remember, for now you can go to the link which is mentioned in the description box, as well as it is in the pinned comment section. Just go there, apply this coupon code GPE Pro to get 20% off. How much? 20% off. So this is the best part over here. 20% off mil jayega. If you want, you can use it. If you don't want, don't use it. But this will make you save your money. Okay, now the time for Menti, which all of you are waiting for. So this is the part. The code for Menti today is this 8352187. The code for Menti is this 8352187. The code for Menti is 8352187. Quickly, those students who are new here, those who don't know how do you do it, first thing you need to go to the website www.menti.com. Okay, menti.com. Once you'll go, it will ask you for a code to enter into the quiz. The code is 8352187. Quickly, waiting for you all. Okay, 10 seconds more and then I will start this quiz. Menti will be started. Be quick. And thank you so much for your likes, yeah. We have crossed 60 likes. Thank you so much. Be quick. Be quick. Okay. Chalo. Let's go for the first question. The question number one coming to your way will is this. X belongs to whole number, then the solution set of the inequation 3x plus 11 greater than or equal to x plus 8. What will be the solution set? Be quick. Last 10 seconds now. Be quick. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time is over. Okay, so we have got the correct answer. Let's see. Option C is your correct answer. देखो बेटा यार here ना if you will use a simple thing, okay, what you will see here, simple thing, they are saying x belongs to whole number. So now I know the solution set must be a whole number. So obviously option A and option B is wrong. Option A, option B is wrong. Option D is also wrong because there you are not getting whole number. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 by 2. They are not whole numbers. So only option C is left. That will be correct. But how do you solve it? See, 3x plus 11 is greater than or equal to x plus 8. Correct? Shift 8 over here, x over here. So 3x minus x greater than or equal to 8 minus 11. So 2x is greater than or equal to 8 minus 11 is minus 3. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. अब देखो, I know x should be greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the solution. But we also know x belongs to only whole numbers. So the whole number which is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2 will be 0. Then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So option C will be your correct answer. Got it? Let's go for the next question. The next question, but before that let us look at the leaderboard. Okay. Very good, yeah, very good, very good. Naman, Rudraksh, Bender, Gunjan, Harsh, use GP Pro. Thank you, Harsh. Kwahish, Ronald, Janvi, Vedant and Tiger Baby. अच्छा वेदांत तो टाइगर बेबी का करेक्ट आंसर दिया है ओनली 8 स्टूडेंट्स ओके सो थैंक यू सो मच यार बच्चों एंड नमन रुद्राक्ष थैंक यू सो मच बच्चों फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी थैंक यू सो मच लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कमिंग टू योर वे इज दिस why it is a bit slow today. Question number 2 is this. Okay, let's see how you solve it. If x belongs to integer, then the solution set of the inequation 1 is less than 3x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 11. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time is over. So what we have got? We have got the correct answer. Very good. 13 students have given the correct answer. So beta here what will happen? See, we have 1 is less than or 3x plus 5 is not equal to 11. ठीक है, अब देखो, you can solve both the equations simultaneously also. Whatever operation you are doing on one side, same operation should be done on other side, or you can solve it separately. Let's solve it together. Shift 5, so it will become, see, 1, 5 shifted over here will become minus 5, and 5 shifted over here will become minus 5. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4, less than or equal to 3x, greater than 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now shift 3 over there, so x will be here 6 by 3, here also minus 4 by 3. So this is the values of x. 6 by 3 is what? 2. So minus 4 by 3 is, x is greater than minus 4 by 3 but less than 2. Now they are saying x belongs to integer. So what are the integers between this? Integers are minus 1, 0 and 1. 2 will not be there because it is not included. So option C should be correct answer. What they have given correct answer? A. Wait, no. A is your correct answer. No, it is greater than or equal to, sorry. No, correct. 2 will also be there. Greater than or equal to sign is there. Wrong. If you are making mistake, if you have made the mistake like me for not copying the correct sign, see, remember, this is the common mistake which I am making right now, which you might also make, that you do not write the sign correctly. Just a small side and didn't write, and I got the answer as C. You can see the difference over here. So be very careful. Got it? है ना? एक छोटा सा sign I have not seen, and the whole question could have gone wrong. So be very careful. Correct answer is option A. Okay, because it is greater than or equal to 2. So now let us see who is in the leaderboard. Okay, so what do we have? Who do we have? What to do? Loading results. So yep, this time all the students are there who has given one or the other correct answer. So now we have Naman, Aviral, Kashish, Rudraksh, Janvi, Prince, Stingalicious, Prasun, Ibrahim and Gunjan. Got it? And Prince is the first student to give the correct answer. Let's go for the next question. Question number 3 coming to your way is this. Be very careful before you answer. X belongs to real number, solution set of this. What will be the solution set of this? You can solve this together as well, you can solve this separately as well, whatever you like. Last 10 seconds, be quick. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Achha, everyone has voted, very good. So correct answer is your option A. Let's see how this question will be done. So bhai dekho, let's solve it separately now. One equation you have is minus 3 times of 2x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 6. I am taking this side. Okay, greater than or equal to 6. So I will get shift minus 3 over there. So 2x minus 4. If I am dividing by minus 3, the sign will change. 6 by minus 3 is minus 2. Sign will change. Sign has reversed. Shift minus 4 over there. So 2x is less than or equal to minus 2 plus 4 will become 2. So x is less than or equal to 1. The other part, minus 3 times of 2x minus 4 is less than 12. Shift divided by minus 3. So you'll be getting 2x minus 4. This sign will reverse now. 12 by minus 3 is minus 4. Shift minus 4 over there. So 2x is greater than minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So x is greater than 0. So x should be greater than 0 but less than or equal to 1. X is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 1, and they are saying x belongs to real number. So I can clearly say x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 1. As simple as that. Option A is your correct answer. Many students have given me B as well because of the sign problems. Do not make any mistake in the sign. Got it? So option A will be your correct answer. Think about changing the sign because I have divided by -3. So when you divide by -3, the signs should change. Got it? Let's go for the leaderboard now. So after this question, who do we have? We have Naman, Aviral, Stingilicious, Kashish, Rudraksh, Lucky, Janvi, Prince, Unnati and Prasun. Okay, let's go for the next question. Question number 4, last question coming to your way is this. The question is saying identify the correct solution set of the following number line. Here you can see the number line is shown to you over here. Darkened circle at -4, hollow circle at -2. Think what will be the solution set. Think what will be the solution set. Be quick. The time is up. So the correct answer is option C. Very good. बेटा देखो बहुत correct answer है. अच्छा अनुष्का, you are asking something. देखो here the signs are different. Look at the sign. B is not correct. Only option A is correct in the previous question. अब यहाँ पे देखो भाई, यहाँ पे you can clearly see X is -4 is included and greater values. 2 is not included and less than those values. बस simple. What else? Option C. What else you need? Yeah, khatam. Question is over. Right? So option C is your correct answer. Got it? So as I was telling you earlier, beta, GPE Pro will give you 20% off. So if you look at these prices, okay, this is the prices per month, but after applying the coupon code GPE Pro, this will be your prices for the part. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? देखना यहाँ पे ध्यान से. Okay, sorry. Yep. So you can clearly see here the price for 1 month after applying the coupon code GPE Pro will be 2159, 5599, 9199. Now one more important thing, these are the prices inclusive of all the subjects. All the subjects. सारे subjects हैं इसमें. Okay. All the subjects, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English. All the subjects are there at this price. Okay, it is not only for maths, for all the subjects. Second thing, if you will see, if you take the course for 1 month, the price per month, okay, the price per month for 1 month it is rupees 2159 only. If you take it for 6 months, the price per month 9199 divided by 6, you will get 1500 plus something, rupees 1500 plus something. So you can clearly see the price per month has reduced a lot. So if you are planning, better go for the longer period of time so that your price per month reduces and you get a more economical package. Got it? Also after that, suppose if you are taking 6 classes per day, 6 or 7 classes, so in a month you will be easily able to take 200 classes, in 3 months 600, in 6 months 1200. So this is the price per class and you can clearly see how cheap is these classes. Oh, okay. So these are very much affordable. Upload easily, you can do it, and those who are able to afford it and want to join Vedantu, you are more than welcome to join Vedantu's Pro subscription plan. ठीक है बच्चों? So this is the part. Link is in the description box as well as it will be in the pinned comment section. Coupon code is GBE Pro. Got it? So this is all in this class. I'll show you the leaderboard now, but before that, please like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now for today's quiz, the leaderboard says, who do we have here? So we have it is Naman. Yes, so it is Naman who is the winner for today's quiz. So very good, yeah, Naman, very good, well done, बहुत अच्छे. Okay, and there are some other students. I can see the name of Aviral, Kashish, Stingilicious, Shagun, Unnati, Prince, Rudraksh, some more 2 names I cannot see, but these are all the students. Okay, so very well done, yaar. All the best to all of you. You guys have done really well, and this is all in this chapter. बहुत easy chapter है. Just remember the exceptions where the signs will change. The part where the signs reverses, if you will remember that part, nothing is going to be difficult for you all. Got it? So this is all from my side. Yeah, thank you so much, bacha, for joining the session, and I'll see you soon in the next class. So this is all for this one short video. Let's see. I'll meet you soon in some other class, some other day. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, bachcho. Bye bye to all of you. Bye bye. Bye bye.